Number 27. On another incident, I was informed by PRRD that 2 land bank managers' checks, which were to be delivered to one of our safe houses in Eastwood, Quezon City, in the amounts of 84,200,000 pesos and 4,800,000 pesos, respectively, were issued under my name. Copies of the 2 land bank managers' checks are here to attach as annexes A and A1. All right. To prove the aforementioned allegations, I am willing to, etc., etc., etc. Pero, did you check the annex, the said manager's check, kung ano mga petsa nito?
Yung annexes po niyan ay nando doon ay hindi ko po napansin yung petsa.
Oo, kasi
So, dahil
Congressman,
naka-annex po
Congressman, yung sinasabi niyang manager's check, ano po, na ang amount nakapangalan sa kanya land bank ito. All right, 84 million. Ang petsa nito April 18, 2023 eh. Nung panahon na iyon, si Marcos na ang presidente at siya ay may kinakaharap na kaso. Inaresto siya July ng 2023. April itong checking ito. Paano nangyari? Alam niyo, medyo gusto ko lang, wala nagtanong nito eh. I think this is a valid question. Nagharap ka nagkwento ka ng ganito, nagbigay ka ng copy ng cheque, anong paliwanag mo sa petsa? Paano naman ng panahon na iyon?